everybody. I'm here with Gibbo, who is helping me shoot a video for Stone Age Man about knots, and we are going to be looking at the new Moza Slypod E. In fact, Gibbo is going to be taking the review on this as he shoots it. So here's his thoughts.
Hey guys, Gibbo here. So we're trying out the new Slypod E from Moza. They were kind enough to send us for us to review it, and we're going to put it through its paces now with our rope video. Let's see what it can do. Moza did send us this to play with, and I only had a few minutes to familiarize myself with the Slypod before we started shooting the knot video. Obviously it's got manual controls like the original Slypod, but here in the app we can work with the speed, the distance. It looks pretty straightforward and simple. The interface is nice, there's not a lot of buttons, so I think it'll be pretty easy to get my head around this. Haven't shot with this before. Let's do this. I'm gonna extend to where I wanted the shot to be. I can slow it right down.
Oh, you can go real slow?
Yeah. And a very slow pullback. So that was pretty impressive. And what I am impressed with is the weight. Like when you extend this arm out, there's no bowing or anything of the sort. So I think that's a pretty good thing. Again, I haven't shot with the original Slypod, so this is completely new to me, but I'm definitely liking it so far. So the cool thing here is that the Slypod E comes with this little mini three-legged tripod that mounts pretty flush with the base, but it's got such a wide stance that you can have really low shots. So what I'm going to do, see how this works low through these greens. That looks pretty sweet. I'm happy with that. You know, I should be on Discovery. I think National Geographic gonna find me for this footage. Maybe we can put a team package together. You as the host, me as the cameraman. The one thing I noticed early on though was how much noise the Slypod makes when moving in and out at high speeds.
Testing 1, 2.
Luckily Rob was mic'd up, so we didn't pick up the noise of the Slypod while we were filming. You always want headphones when you're recording sound. Did a shoot for a corporate client once back in South Africa, and I did check the levels, and it sucked. So that being said, I think this is a real neat slider. Oh, look at that sunflare. In the short time I got to use it, I was impressed with how quick and easy it was to get up and running and get great results and amazing footage. So guys, those are my thoughts on this little nifty Slypod E by Moza. Very nice piece of equipment. I'm definitely going to be using this in the future.
Thanks for watching. I had Gibbo do this one because Moza sent us another Slypod, and I had already reviewed one. I wanted his thoughts on it. It's kind of definitely a neat little device. Now what we're doing right now is we're shooting this rope video for Stone Age Man, which is my other channel, which is where I've been, but it's a cool new channel that's out connecting with the outdoors and being able to be in the outdoors. These are our skills videos. Check that out for sure. I'll leave the link right over here, and we'll see you in another video.